So in the today's video, we discuss on that the intracellular calcium are responsible for the cortical granule reaction. So intracellular calcium intracellular calcium is responsible for cortical granule reaction. So there are no involvement of outside calcium. Intracellular calcium storage, you can say endoplasmic reticulum. Calcium are stored in the endoplasmic reticulum, and when sperm fused with the egg cell membrane, there is an important enzyme, that is phospholipase C, cleaves PIP2 into IP3 and DAG. IP3 binds with the calcium channel present on the endoplasmic reticulum and leads to opening of those channels. Calcium releases out from this endoplasmic reticulum, and after that cortical granule exocytosis occur. So so releasing of calcium from intracellular storage is responsible for cortical granule reaction. Cortical granule fusion with egg cell membrane. In case of vertebrate and sea urchin, in case of vertebrate and sea urchin, what happened? Endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum endoplasmic reticulum endoplasmic reticulum is a storage house of the calcium, and it has some calcium channel through which calcium releases out from the endoplasmic reticulum in presence of certain important factor. So endoplasmic reticulum release calcium and this calcium binds with some certain proteins that are involved in the fusion of cortical granule with the egg cell membrane. So calcium mediated exocytosis occur. Suppose we draw a diagram through which we can easily understand. This is egg cell membrane. Now sperm binds with this egg cell membrane. Suppose this is sperm. When sperm binds with this egg cell membrane or sperm fused with the egg, now the cortical granule which is present beneath the egg cell membrane fused with the egg cell membrane. Suppose these are cortical granules. These are cortical granules. These cortical granules are surrounded by endoplasmic reticulum. So suppose these are endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum. So suppose this is cortical granule. This blue line is suppose egg cell membrane. And when sperm fuses with the egg cell membrane, they activate an important enzyme. In the later video, we discuss detail on the signaling path, that is PLC. Thus PLC form an important factor, that is IP3. This IP3 binds with a calcium channel, binds with the IP3 receptor present on the calcium channel, that leads to opening of the calcium channel. Now calcium moves out from this, the calcium moves out. So the calcium level increases, and this calcium helps in the fusion of now this cortical granule fused with the egg cell membrane. So fusion of cortical granule with the egg cell membrane. Now there are some experiments through which we can easily understand that particularly intracellular calciums are responsible for the cortical granule reaction. So in the first experiment, the diagram only for understand. Do not draw diagram in any exam page. Suppose this is egg and surrounded by water, and a important drug, the name of the drug, suppose these are some drugs, and this is egg. Okay, this is egg. Now the name of the drug is, what is the name of the drug? The name of the drug is drug name A23187. It is a calcium ionophore. It is a calcium ionophore. These drugs are this. This is unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg. The drug A23187 enter inside the egg and helps in the diffusion of calcium ion across the lipid membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. So inside the egg, the calcium level increases because it helps in the. So what is the role of this drug? This drug helps in diffusion of calcium across lipid membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. So calcium, in presence of calcium, cortical reaction occur. Fertilization envelope, formation of fertilization envelope. So in presence of this drug A23187, it is a calcium ionophore. This drug enter inside the egg and helps in releasing of the calcium from the endoplasmic reticulum into the egg cytoplasm, and that calcium helps in the fusion of cortical granule with the egg cell membrane, ultimately fertilization envelope form, but in unfertilized egg. So in unfertilized egg there is no calcium surrounded. So there is no calcium, no Ca2 plus in this surrounded water. So the calcium which are responsible for the cortical granule reactions present